Spoiler alert! Hello, welcome back to my channel. Well, we're off. The first clue is out and I'm starting right on time actually, and I love the way it looks with those colours, so autumnal. And where it's going I don't know, but I do love this first clue. Well, I've heard there's some people who see other things in this pattern, but I see a lovely Irish knot in it. I love it and I keep this as my preferred choice. It's a lot of knitting, but it's not that much of stitches on the needle. So it's doable actually. I did it in 2 days, which was very surprising for me. I've just finished it and so happy with it. This is halfway through, I think. Yes, exactly halfway through. No idea what it's going to look like. And then it was exactly and then this happened. It's finished. I'll see you next time and I'll hope you have a very creative week. Bye bye.